The Redmi Note 5 Pro is the Pro version of the Redmi Note 5, which is the successor to the Note 4. While many would expect Xiaomi to bring together bits and pieces of its predecessor, no, the Pro is anything but that. The Pro is a proper mid-range device that, going by appearance, would let many to believe that it belongs to the sub-Rs 30,000 segment instead of the sub-Rs 15,000 mark. The design was typically Xiaomi: rounded corners, straight lines, curved back, and seems more like the evolution of the Note 4, but a lot better. The device is far from bezel-less, but it does feature an overall slimmer profile, way slimmer than the chunky Note 4. In short, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro will not win any design awards and does not look half as good as the Pebble-like Honor 7X, but it's practical and polished nonetheless. The fit and finish are top class, despite sporting plastic caps at the top and bottom on the back, with the metal panel taking up the majority of the center. In short, the device is a delight to hold and will not slip out of hand, thanks to the thin shiny ridges that appear at the top and the bottom. Let's see the specifications.